Gents, this is Scorpion here, and I'm back from the garage. Look at this, sweaty shirt. I've been down in the garage doing welding. Right now my car's near my window, and right now it is really warm in the garage down there. So let's wake up my beaties. Alright, I'm gonna move this. Move this across. Move that. Put it up here. Turn the fucking light. Excuse the bad French. Alright. Let's see what my beaties is up to. I just been welding, so yeah. Hey baby boy. Hello. Hey my baby boy. See, he's shedding. I gave him a bath yesterday to help him to get rid of the old shed. So yeah. Hey baby boy. I love you, baby boy. I love you. Go up to you. That's my boy. And my baby girl. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, that's my girl. Look at you. I know. See? She's starting to get lighter every day because she loves the warm light. No. She scratched my nose and instead of itching wants to sneeze, but no. Hey baby. Hello baby. She's just absolutely beautiful. She's hugging my finger. Hey baby. You're such a beautiful girl, aren't you? Hmm? Smiley little one. Hmm? Let me put you back. Here. That's my girl. Oh, show you a kiss. Oh, that is so lovely. Shit, that's good. See ya. I've been doing welding, so I got my car out. Look at that. That's my car. It's not big. It's not small. It's a racing car. So yeah. But right now, I am planning to talk to my friend on the PS4 if she is not busy. But right now, I need a drink. The coffee's dry on my mouth out after welding. Well, before welding. Shit. So yeah, I got 2 iced coffees in there so I can have a cold coffee in the middle of the day. So right now is a really good time. Yeah, both of my beer dragons are really happy little ones. See ya. 1 egg died today. It's in there with black mold somewhere in there. Now there's only 5. There used to be 6, but there's 5 now. And it was the new batch. See that little hole there? Oh fuck. I got these ones. I need to change the substrate because I don't think these eggs are gonna handle the fucking. Oh fuck's sake. Don't tell me. Hold on. Gotta get the tweezers. That is fucking black mold. I really hate black mold on my freaking babies. These are Charlie's babies, and I don't want black mold on them. Just ain't the end of it. Fuck. The yolk's on that side. That's good. Oh, luckily it landed on my floor and stayed upright, so that's good. Every one of them's okay. Except that one that was in the bin, it was like black as charcoal, so I put that one in the bin. This one on the other one, this is from the first batch. It's doing good. There's no black mold. So this one will be hatching first. Soon. I hope all of them's gonna hatch. If none of them hatch, well, Chevy and Stumpy needs to do it. Oh my god. So yeah, one egg went black, and I got rid of it that quick. I think it's the sand. The sand's making black mold, and I need to change it. I got that big bag of substrate right there for eggs. So if I get 2 containers out of the cabinet, fill up with that, I might switch the eggs over on that, so the eggs will be clean. I might do that a little later today. So right now I am just going to relax. I done my daily chore for today, and my right eye is not working today. It's blurry as all hell, so I got my left eye what I'm staring at right now. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you love it. So yeah, Chevy and Stumpy, my only 2 inlands left. So after I move and after I build my own apartment, I'm going to have 2 big Easterns, fully adult. I'm going to fill this up to right there with sand. Put the hide, the water, the grass, everything. So wherever I get Easterns from, I'll have them in here so they can breed and stuff. So right now I've got 1 container there. It's a clean. A little bit of yuck. What about the other containers? These ones, clean. Clean. So I'm going to put some of that substrate in there so I can switch the eggs over into something clean and non-toxicated friggin' mold growing bullshit. So right now sand wasn't a really good choice because I lost the first batch of eggs from the sand. The sand just absolutely grew black mold. So I need to put substrate. That's the proper substrate. Let me show you. Reptile bedding. That's the proper shit. That's the proper stuff I want to use. So right now, this is the end of this video, and my little sister's just gone to work. So yeah, 5 eggs left. 1 egg went black. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I loved it too. So give me a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, sorry about touching the microphone, but see